Today I'm in the kitchen making oatmeal sandwich cookies. These soft and chewy cookies are sweetly spiced and then filled for the perfect handheld snack. I'm Rebecca and welcome to the kitchen. This is how I make oatmeal sandwich cookies.
To a large bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. I'm using a stand mixer for this, but you can just as easily use a handheld beater. Next, I'm going to add in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Beat this into the mixture. Make sure to stop and scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl as you go, so everything is getting mixed in evenly. For my dry ingredients, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add in 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, and then the main bulk of my cookies, 3 cups of quick oats. These oats have the shortest cook time, making them the perfect choice for soft, chewy cookies. Blend all of the ingredients just until the dough holds together. Since these are sandwich cookies, I'm going to scoop smaller mounds of batter onto my cookie sheet, since each finished cookie will consist of 2 of these cookies together. Using 2 spoons, I'm going to form my cookies with about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of dough. Make sure to leave a space between the little dough mounds. These cookies will spread as they bake. If you want to limit the amount of spread, pop the cookie sheets in the freezer for 15 minutes before baking. I'm going to bake my cookies in a preheated 350° Fahrenheit or 180° Celsius oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden and the middle is set.
Since these cookies are so versatile, you can fill them with your favorite spreads. Some of my favorites are jams and jellies, buttercream, Nutella or chocolate ganache, or thickened nut butters.
Remove the cookies from the oven and allow to cool on the tray for 10 to 15 minutes before removing to a wire rack to cool completely. Meanwhile, I'm going to get my filling ready. I'm using strawberry jam today, which goes perfectly with these soft and chewy cookies. The jam will also help keep my cookies soft and tender. Scoop about 1 to 2 teaspoons of filling into the center of the flat part of the cookie. Find another cookie about the same size and sandwich it on top. This should spread the jam out just until the edges of the cookie. For the second half of my cookies, I'm going to make a simple chocolate ganache. I've already heated some heavy cream and added in my chocolate. Leave it to sit 2 to 3 minutes to melt the chocolate and then stir until you have a smooth, shiny chocolate spread. The chocolate ganache will start to set as it cools, so I'm going to set it aside until it is perfectly spreadable. I'm going to do the same thing I did with my jam. Place a little dollop of chocolate into the center of the cookie. Press another one on top to squeeze and spread out my filling. These little cookies are a perfect, quick and easy treat to make for your own cookie jar or a special treat to pack in school lunches. Enjoy!